Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. We came back again to you guys, and as you see, the daily candle is finished. Is it here? And let's zoom it together. So what you see in here, guys, like that. What you see in here, that pin bar here, then it came next to it, that green candle, that one. So what that indicating, guys? It's indicating the Bitcoin, it will go till here, the last high here, and the one here. And people, they follow me. I give them a signal to buy in 30 minutes, and if they buy now they're making nice profit till now, till here. That's the power of our analysis, guys. So you watching me now, if you want to benefit from our analysis free, us every day we put into videos, guys, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. Did you subscribe, my friend? And did you turn the bell notification to all to receive all our latest updates? If you done it, thank you very much and welcome to the family. So what is it, the view now here? As you see it, guys, the Bitcoin, I tell it to you, it's going to go higher till that zone here. Me, I show you that one. Make close eye with me at that level here. Look where we started. We came here, those ones, that last peak, that peak here, and that one here. That's how we started. We make it together in a square and we do it like that. So the Bitcoin is going to come till here, guys, till that level here, and after that we're going to see if it's going to drop or not, because if it continued upward, look with me here, and here, it's trying to give you a head and shoulder, guys. It's still early for it, but it tried to give you a head and shoulder there. If it came upward and break for you here, you're going to see Bitcoin going higher, guys. But till now, as I tell it to you, in 21 is going to come the interest rate of USA or the Fed interest rate. Make a close eye at that, and I tell it to you before, there is a big difference if they said they are going to increase interest rate by 0.75 or 100%. Because if they increase it by 100%, it's bad to the market. And US dollar or DXY is going to spike very, very, very high. But if they increase it by 0.75, US dollar is going to fall down, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. There is nothing hard, nothing complicated. Let me show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, what it's saying to you, guys. Look with me here. It zoom it a little bit like that. What you see in here? We got here, that level here with yellow. As you see it's very clear. It came there. The market give you there that pin bar. Now it's indicating it going up. Where is the next level? That one here. That was me I show you before. And we got here that white one here. That white one is the long-term trend, guys. As you see it before, what it did here, it break it here. Now it go back inside it. Now he's showing here a stronger level of people here. They don't want Bitcoin to fall down. For you, if you are an investor, it need to come back and to break here and to break that up channel, that one, push the Bitcoin lower, guys. I'm talking about that channel here. Everything is too clear, guys. That channel, how we draw it, is very, very, very long-term channel. As you see it, guys. He came, he touched the top of it. He tried to fall down. That the lower if it fall down. Is at 12K. But till now, the Bitcoin, what it's showing, guys? The Bitcoin, it's showing a very, very, very stronger level here, and it's still holding there, guys. So it might that one to be the phase 3 of the Bitcoin, guys. And a lot of you, they heard me, I'm talking a lot about the phase 3. Let me show it to you what it meant, the phase 3. Look from here, 1, 2, and here the 3, guys. That's what us we're talking about. Bitcoin is like that, is working. Phase 1, then it dropped. Phase 2 is a continuation phase, and the phase 3 is going to stay here for some time. Then after that, it's going to go higher, guys. But not yet. Bitcoin is going to start going higher till 2023, guys. Now also we're still in a downtrend, and we are under the 200 moving average. Look when you zoom in out the picture, how it look to you. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go in now to see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it came down here. It touched for us that trend line. And we got up, that one, the trend line, by the way, that one in the top here. That one also being followed from 2021, guys, when the Bitcoin started falling down, and all those phases I showed you before. Now what it doing here, it zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. What you see in here, look with me very, very close here at that zone, me I'm talking about that one. What you see in there, it just sideways market, guys. Always making 3 like that, then he fall down. Look here, 1 2 3, then the fourth time he break here, same thing here. Every time he doing the same thing, guys. After every time he falling down, he peak 3 times like that, then he drop, peak 3 times, then he drop, then he went up. Now which phase you are now? You are here in that phase here. Now what is going to do? It's very clear, same thing, that the peak here is going to do 3 times, then he going to drop, guys. So for investors, it's still very early for you to enter now, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, are you a subscriber in our channel? If yes, smash the like button and write for us down a comment. Help us to growing up more that channel, guys. If you done it, thank you very much, my friend. So let's see our other indicator, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, being here at the oversold area when we being here. Now what's it showing there? Let's zoom it for the picture to be more clear to you. What it's showing here? It started reversing, going down, guys. Yes or no? So either now from is going to fall down till the oversold to give us maybe a divergence, then after that to go higher, or from that level where it is now to go higher. And another thing here, let me show it to you. If you came here from that point here and you draw it like that, a line like that, what you seeing, guys? It try to give you here like a trend line, yes or no? And now that one I think is going to fall down to touch that trend line here again. Then after that is going to go to the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let's go in now to the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, as you see, what else we've been talking about. Why else we give you the 30 minutes to enter long, and where we told you need to take profit, we tell you here. And now it came to it, and as you see it, guys, what it doing here in that place, and where else we tell you to enter from that level here. That for low time frames, but here in the 4 hours, what it's showing to you, what the Bitcoin chart here it's showing to you, guys. Look with me a little bit, we go backward. What we see in here, if you bring in here a level like that from here, those candles here, look at them, all those ones, what it doing here. And if you came here to the top here to that zone, what you seeing? You are in an accumulation level, guys. Same thing happen here, it's happening here now, yes or no? It's very clear. Same thing happen here in that zone here, it's happening in that zone here now. Now what the view to it? We are going to for another run, we are going to fall down. What the chart is telling you, guys, very simple and easy, guys. Look with me here at Mr. Volume, as we said it every time. What it telling you here? Who is winning here? The red ones. It came a green one here, but not big like those red ones. Then what it came here, all those green ones, there is not big volume to push in higher, guys. There is no sellers in the market. Those ones, they are just day traders and scalpers. They're making profit. Those ones, they don't care where is the market is going to go because they're just making money like that. So now for swing traders, there is no opportunity to enter yet, guys. Remember my word. And let me to show you my chart for the picture to be more clear to you. In my chart, as you see it, guys, we got that level here, that pin bar, that big pin bar it's showing there. Then it came here, it's showing here a rejection, but next to it, it came that green candle. Bitcoin now it's going to go till that level here, or to touch for us the 200 moving average, guys, here. Then after that, maybe it's going to drop again to that zone here. But till now, us, we still going with it till here. Till 20k, guys. Also now we are 20k, but the Bitcoin is going to go till 20k 700, guys. Remember my word. I'm going to come to you in the next videos and I'm going to show it to you. Everything is too clear. And here, if you want to spot anything there, you just turn it from candlesticks to line like that. You see anything there? Knock with me here. What you see in here, here, and here. What you seeing, guys, is a head and shoulder, guys, and it's break it for you. It's very easy to spot those things. You understand what I'm saying or no? Let's zoom it, and for the picture to be more clear to you, I know it is very far, but let's zoom it like that. Now look here, that one shoulder, that the head, that the next shoulder, guys. Now it's clear or no? What is the head? Neck is here. It's break it for you. Yes. Now it's going back to test it again. Then after that, it's going to go higher till that level here, guys. Everything is too clear. That way, me, I told you, is going to go higher. It's going back to the candle to explain to you more. Everything is too clear, guys. But that one is just a trap, guys. It's going to go till here. For day traders and scalpers, yes, it's very fair enough to earn money from that move. But for investors and swing traders, it's not yet, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see, what else we done, we move in that trend line we used to have to here and here. What it's showing to you, our indicator, guys. Look with me very close here. What you see in here? It came, it touched the lower here. Now he go back. He touching here that wall also we have in the middle. Yes or no? What's it indicating now? It's indicating now a reverse. It might here is going to reverse till that zone here, the one. Then after that it's going to go higher till here. So the Bitcoin is still going higher, guys. Everything is too clear, but till now also we still here in the control of the bears, guys. We are not in the control of the bulls. Man, the sellers will still controlling the market, not the bulls. Look how it happened here. Look how many times he touched that wall here, then it fall down. Look how many times. Being going from here till here, then it's falling down. Till it give us here that divergence, that one will push the price to go higher a little bit. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, if you remember what me I told you about it, it's being here at the oversold area. Yes or no? And I told you about those dots. And I show you here the price action it give you here, the head and shoulder. Now it's breaking for you guys. What you need to do? To enter long, of course. Where's the take profit? Either here or here, or the 200 moving average, guys. I'm talking here about day traders and scalpers. I'm not talking about long-term investors or positional traders. Can enter from now till here, guys, till that level here. Bitcoin is going to go higher, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what 30 minutes doing right now. So if there is an entry, we will enter. If is it not, we will not enter. So what may I do? Start from daily 4 hours. Then I'm going to 30 minutes now. Even you need to do the same thing, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, guys, if you remember us, we used to have here a head and shoulder here in 30 minutes. Here in the small other one. Then we enter from here till here. You make profit or no with us? That's how you make a profit, my friend. Now what it's showing here in that zone, what it's showing to you? It's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. I'm explaining like that for everyone to understand. He came, he break the 200 moving average here, he go up, but he couldn't break the last high, guys. That one, the last high. Now it's showing a rejection. If it go back inside, it's a sell, guys. And another thing here, what it's giving you, a double top, guys, here in 30 minutes. What is indicating to you? The Bitcoin is going to fall down. That's what it's indicating to you. So forget about what I tell you in the 4 hours, guys. Bitcoin is going to fall down now. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, what our indicator is telling you. Also, we enter from down here, from the oversold area, guys. Our indicator, what it's indicating to you, you are at the overbought area. So if you enter from here, from down here, now is the time for you to take the profit, my friend. Yes or no? Everything is very clear, my friend. Or you can do something else. You move the stop loss to somewhere here and you take some of the profit. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now, guys.